Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your OneSource employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search OneSource employee login. After you make search, you'll see OneSource employee management on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Employee Portal Login. Click here. It might take a while to load, so please have patience. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username, your password, and log in. But if in case you forgot your username, you can click here, and if you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just log in and enjoy using OneSource as an employee. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments with feedbacks are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.